how to enable lock screen notifications on Galaxy S25 series. If you want to enable the lock screen notifications on your Galaxy device, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. But before we get started, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Enabling the lock screen notifications on Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra is a fairly simple process. Now what you have to do is you have to simply go ahead and then actually open up your settings app. Once you open up your settings, you have to look for the option that says notifications and tap on it. Then just go to lock screen notifications, and here you can choose to turn on lock screen notifications or turn off. Even if you turn on, you can customize your privacy settings by hiding the content or showing the content if that's what you wish. This is the way on how you can enable lock screen notifications on Samsung Galaxy S25 series or even the older versions. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.